Let's face it, right now, every penny counts. There are many options when it comes to the forgettables of estimating. Parts code table, automated audit programs, training classes. The problem with them all is that they're still not working. Why? Over the course of our in-shop audits and closed file reviews, we worked with estimators across a variety of skill and experience levels to track down the lost dollars from every estimate. Here is what we found. Estimators are tactile learners. They need hands-on tools that remind them or nudge them to add the items that bring profit to the sheet. They need a physical process that helps shape it into a habit or memory. Most estimators right now are running 3 to 4 computer screens while trying to write a single estimate. Asking them to do one more thing on a computer or open one more screen, honestly, it's overwhelming. This means digital tools are lost, unused, and wasted subscription dollars for the shop. Then add to it the stress of negotiating the charges some program says should be on your estimate. With estimators already strapped for time and mental health, adding the lines to the estimate that even they don't understand, it's just too much to ask. And then we want them to go debate with an adjuster who doesn't understand any of it either. It seems like an unreasonable use and waste of their time. So with each audit, we searched to increase the adoption rate of our suggested estimating changes. We kept inventing, scrapping, and recreating tools. Our dry erase panel sheets are proven to capture the forgettables and add real money to each estimate. We took the 7 most commonly estimated panels and from there pulled out the non-included operations that, according to the most recent Who Pays for What survey, are always, or most of the time, paid by the top insurers to DRP and independent repairers. This means estimators will see success or more money without too much initial friction from adjusters. As their confidence and their consistency grows, you'll be able to take on bigger ticket items within the estimating system. So let's make our estimates the most consistent and profitable that they have ever been.